Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video I am going to talk about how to connect Canva website to existing domain, and it will be an breakdown video where I will discuss step by step guideline with you guys. So without any further ado, let's get into it. So here you can see we are already in our Canva platform. So here you can see we already have couple of design over here, but we never create any website in Canva. But you think how surprising it is that we are going to create a website with an graphic designer apps. Yes, this is not a myth. If you visit on canva.com in incognito window, and if you don't have any account, then eventually you can see this page where they are telling us we can create posters, resumes, logos, whiteboard, then as you can see social docs, even presentation, and the main thing is we can create sheets and websites. As yes, you hear right, that is website. So if you doesn't have any knowledge about coding or WordPress, Shopify, and any kind of a platform where you can easily create website, then even also you can create a website with Canva. Then how you can create an account here? This is really simple. You just need to click on get Canva free, and then let's go with this one. You can go with this one, or you can go with Facebook or Google. It's totally up to you. So this is the really simplest process. Once you come over here, then you will get this kind of an interface over that place, and now you can see here, let's go and let's create a new website. So here you can search million of templates from that place. Just search for website, and let's hit into the button, and you will get this website panel or template. You can use it as it one you want to use. So I am going to use one of them. So here I will come back to home, and here you in the next to the search panel you get couple of options called sheet, docs, whiteboard, presentation, and in the end of the row you can see we have this website. Just click on create new, and here as you can see a website has been created, and in this way you can easily create your website. So I am going to take some existing design. So here I'm going to search in template website, and let's hit enter, and now here you can see this is the website we had. So I'm going to copy one of them. So let's use this one. Yeah, I think this is really nice, so I'm going to paste it here. This is the first page, then this one is second page. Let's paste it here. Similarly I'm going to add some couple of other sections similar way. Let's paste it here. Let's click on add sections again and paste it here similarly again. So you just need to be follow the procedure on your website like similar way, then come over here and again paste it here, and our website creation has been done. So I will just click on of them and change the name and make it by my way. Then I'm creating marketing assistant. Hi everyone, my name is, then I am going to change it the image. So that's why I will click on uploads, because I have some couple of images. So I'm going to use this one. Let's edit the image. Yeah, it's now it's amazing. Then I will come back here, and here I will find out a quick background. I am pasting this I will work. Yeah, it's okay, typically it's okay. Then this one, yeah, I'm going to change this image. So yeah, no, I think this looks amazing, but we can change it if it's needed. So here let's find out, does we have any image? Yeah, I think this may be a good one. Then this one, then this one. Yeah, now it's, you can see these are good. And here I'm going to change the email address. I'm going to provide my email address. That will be on my 658 at the rate themahin.com. This is my website, and my website link will be, so as you can see it, I already changed all the necessary things. You can add link over here. Just click over here and click on link, and I'm going to add my Facebook link, Facebook canva.com, copy it, paste it here, and done. Click on done, and now whenever someone visit, they will redirect to that place called facebook.com. So eventually you just need to recheck it, is everything fine. Then once you find out that yes, everything is really organized and everything is fine, you just need to click on share. Once you click over here, then here you will have bunch of options called download, send to teacher, public view, then Google Classroom. So here you just need to click on website. Once you click over here, now here you can see they already provided us a link, so I will click on setting to get no furthermore. So you can describe your website in less than 160 characters. You can make it password protection, you can add navigation menu, you can social media link preview, and also you can check this out as a search engine visibility if it is needed. So I think all has been done, and then I will click on publish. Once I click over here publish, then it will take a time to preparing the design. So here you can see our website has been published. Then copy it, or you can click on view website. Once you click over here, then it will redirect you to that place, and eventually you can see that this is our website and it has been working perfectly, and it has a great animation as you can see it. So without knowing any knowledge, you are allowed to make a good design, and you can see that our link also working perfectly. So just there is a one drawback, that is it has a logo that's called design with Canva. That is the problem, but that is also not a problem. And this is the menu. If you want to remove it, you can do it. Just click on design and click on website. Similarly, go over here and click on navigation menu, and now come back and then edit design, and let's come back and refresh it, and the menu bar will be removed within a minute. So it sometimes get problem for the cache, but you can eventually see that this is our design and this one is responsible too. Let's keep it view on it, and now you can see that it is responsible though. So now the main goal is to change the domain. So how we can do it? We can do it by just come back to this panel and click on share and click on website also. So here we have this site address URL as you can see it. So here you just need to click on this pen button, just click over here, and here you can change it through these options. There's no option, then just click on setting and click on Mind Rahman. So here you will get the options called add setting. Just click over here. So let's back come to this our file panel, and then click on home. Just click on home. Once you come over here, then here you can see this is our website. Just come back to this place again, and similarly click on, if you continue editing this decision, you will need to publish it again to upload your website. So let's try to edit something. I'm going to add another N, and then click on share and click on website, and here you can see you just need to click on this panel, and you can add your name from that place, republish. So through these options you can change your domain from that place. It is not hard work, you can do it. These are options, as you can see, couple of options like LMS, public building, then many things. Just click on this one and here come back, and if you are using the premium plan, then you will get the options called add custom domain. Just click setting, you can make it more further. Let's go and let's add a link, resize on mobile, unpublish website. It has been unpublished now. Then come back to this one, share, and again try to upload it. Click one, and here in the next to this link you will get the options to change your domain. So I hope you understand how easy the process was. Now from that place you can change your existing domain to make it your proper domain. I hope this video was really helpful for you and knowledgeable too. If you think you have any question related to this video, Don't hesitate, just ask me on the comment box. I will try my best to give you the answer as soon as possible. Thank you for watching the video till the end.